Okay, whenever you're working into your previous section, what happens is sometimes people overcompensate because they get uncomfortable, and what happens is it gets longer. It's very, very important when you're doing this haircut to make sure this top line is straight all the way along the top or the same length. You don't want your top line of your graduation to be angled out because of compensation for being uncomfortable, because this whole side's going to get heavy. So you got to be really important. It's very important. This whole top line of your graduation here is the same length completely across from behind the ear to the temple area. So you have consistent flow and consistent length. You don't want a lump of weight back here. Okay, so now we cut our top panel in, our side, and our underneath panel here. Now there's going to be a band of weight that we didn't connect in because of our top. But what we want to do is now on this side, we're going to round this corner off. Because if we take this and hold this down, the lighter side always appears heavy. I mean, if you always look at one of your clients, if you cut the whole haircut, connect it in, square or round, you'll always notice that when you part it, because it's not cut for a part, this is cut for a part. If you connect it all in and you part it to the side, you're always going to see one side longer than the other. The light side of the part will always look heavy. This is a brilliant way to compensate for that. Okay, so I have this section here that needs to be connected in. So what I'm going to do is over my fingers, what I'm going to do is take that hair and I'm just going to blend or round off, not round off, but blend in that top bit. But I'm going to square it off a little bit. I'm not going to have it be graduated, just going to square it off. And that's going to compensate for the balance of the haircut on the lighter side. So I'm just going to lift that up and round that off. Well, I guess that's not really the word. Not round it off, but square it off. Again, and just follow that through. Square that off. And you're going to see a really perfect balance between the right side and the left side. Now we work from the front of the ear to the front. I'm going to do the same thing. Just going to come in here and just going to round this off. Just going to lift this hair. This is just blend it in. So I'm going to lift this hair up and just square this off.